All right, we're gonna go for a run right now in this 1950 Chevy Styleline Deluxe. Pretty cool. Cool little coupe. It's got some modern things done to it. It's got a tune port rebuilt 350 engine in it, fuel injected. It's got a 700R overdrive transmission. It's got a Mustang II front end up front, or that style anyway. It might be like a Heights or something. But along with that comes with the disc brakes and the rack and pinion steering. Steers real nice. It's got a tilt steering column. Just a really nice driver. Guy I bought it from Santa Barbara, California, up here on the West Coast, and he had it for 22 years. So took real good care of it. Took it to all the cruise nights. Nice driver. The outside is beautiful too. It's paint's older, but it still looks really good. It's a Mercedes color. It's crystal green. And that's actually the crystal green is the name of the factory color for this car in 1950. So that's kind of cool. So they were stuck with the crystal green. It's just a modern crystal green. And it's got this faux wood trim here, which is great too. It's on top of the door panels. And it's kind of a neat look. I like it when people do that, especially these classic cars. It's not wood, but it looks like wood. Got an AM/FM CD player, and the interior is real comfortable. It's like a red velour with Oxblood vinyl mix. And overall, just a beautiful car. We'll show you some of the body modifications when we pull over up here, take some more pictures in a video, but she's a runner. It goes pretty good. All right, we're gonna come up here and take some more pictures. All right, here's a cool one. A 1950 Chevy Styleline Deluxe. Look at this thing, man. It's got some nice chrome trim on it. Beautiful paint, crystal green metallic. All the chrome bumpers and everything have been redone and they're in excellent condition. All the stainless is nice. Good rust-free car too overall. I mean, it's, you know, this paint's probably pretty old and still in excellent condition. It's got the steely wheels there with the color match centers. Chrome lip. Yeah, look at all this stainless. Really cool. Guy added a couple flags on there, performance flags, to go along with that performance motor that's in there. It runs really good. It's got like a 323 8-inch Ford rear end. So on the highway and everything like that, it's just cruises with that 700. Probably gets pretty good gas mileage if you even mention that in a classic car. But look at this grille. Really good shape. It's got a couple flaws in the paint here and there. It's older, like I said. There's a couple little minor scratches and blems in there. But going down the road, she looks brand new. Let me show you the interior real quick. Real comfortable. Comfortable interior. It's got a thing for your phone down there. You can plug your phone in to listen to music. Got 4 speakers in there. Nice rear seat, nice and comfortable. Headliner's in good shape. It's got some custom auto meter or auto, I don't know if they're auto meter. Actually, no, they're not. I remember looking them up. These are actually marine quality gauges. It says in my ad copy, and which is a good quality. Probably made to go in the water, even though this one's not going to go in the water. So you got a nice wood wheel there, tilt column. Carpeting's real nice. Little Chevrolet emblem there on the dash. Real clean. Even the door jambs and everything are nice in this car. Nice bomb of a cruiser. Take it out and drive it any place you want. All right, here's the power plant in the 1950 Chevy. Check that thing out. Cool little motor. 350, tune port, fuel injected. Like I said, power steering, rack and pinion steering, power disc brakes. It's got the Mustang II style front end, so it rides real nice. 8-inch Ford rear diff. The headers on there. Pretty cool. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Yeah, sounds good. Total cruiser, runs on pump gas, easy to take care of. It's got electric fans there. Reliable. Just get on the road and go. Go around the back and show you what it sounds like. It's got nice dual exhaust. That's pretty cool, man. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and see us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car. It's a little gloomy today in California, but you know what? Usually the sun's shining. This thing looks great in the sun too. Well, thanks for watching.